Hi guys, welcome back. So we got a package in the mail from StarKnight MT, and we're gonna open it up together. I don't know if I need a knife or not. Maybe I do. I don't want to cut it. It's the upper storage bag for the Maverick Can-AM Maverick X3. So this will be a quick video. So thanks for watching and everything. So this is the upper storage. Oh, nice, it comes into a Ziploc. I like these Ziplocs because I put my belts in these Ziplocs. So got room, pocket here, see-through. Put a map or put anything you want to see through. It's all Velcro corners, so I guess we might as well take these apart for now. All right, solid backing. Four Velcros. Instructions say as simple as grabbing the two bars, and that's it. So let's get in there and try this. You never have enough storage with these things. As you can see, I got the StarKnight MT as well, center console storage, and everything matches the seats. So all right guys, so I loosened the top for the roof just to make it easier for me to tuck my hands underneath it. You don't need to remove the whole entire thing. So basically, and also it opens up, so you basically got a storage bag in here with a net, so I'll be able to put all my video stuff. And then there's a pocket that is protected inside here that fits like a full hand, so you can fit your phone on there. So, and then there's two zips to close. So obviously you got another pocket here, either put your phone or whatever. Here you can put your phone, you got a see-through. So that's that for that. Now we're gonna put this right at the center top right here. So having undone all the Velcros, if you don't see really good on this side, when I film the other side, you should be able to see it. All right, so do I need to put it over? No, just under. This other side right here. Okay, so one done. Two done. So now I'm gonna make my way to the other side. Yeah. So I'll switch over. This ain't gonna be too long to install. All right, so take another Velcro apart. It's just if the roof would have been off, it'd be like really easy. But I just don't feel like taking a roof off to try to save a couple minutes, I guess. And take me 15 minutes to remove the roof and put it back on. Ouch. All right, so Got this one. There we go. Now one last one. And that's it. So now you can unzip, and if you need to play in your storage, well, you got all the storage you need. And I'm just gonna tuck it in real good, exactly at his spots. There you go. So now you got more space, as you can see the net, and then this here just zips fine. This as well. I'll grab my phone, see if it fits really good in there. So, I'll give you an idea. iPhone 10. With the case, just fits. And then if that doesn't work for you, we'll check the inside. Then you got the big pocket right here, so with some padding, so it'll protect it. And oh yeah, that one will fit anything. There you go. That just goes out. So that's it. So here's a look at it from the inside. If you need to see it, let me see. I'll stand outside. So that's what it looks like. That's what their inside storage looks like. So all right, so guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. I know this is a quick one. So I'll put a link in the description below for the video, and I'll see if I can get you guys a discount code. And if there is, I'll put that in the description below to save you guys some money as well. And this is like we need extra storage, all for the Can-Am X3. So thank you, StarKnight NT, for collaborating with us, and I appreciate you guys for watching. So please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll get back to you in the next one. So be safe out there in the trails, and we'll catch you. Bye-bye for now.